So guys, we have done the first hole. So dusty. Perfect. Oh my goodness, Selena.
It's nice, almost done.
You can do abs here.
Yeah, I do abs here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Are you
Please go,
family?
I'm good, I was turning around.
How are you, baby boy? Our gin bar is ready. I will go to the guy. I will get the gin bar. Then I will go buy the cement. Maybe we can install the gin bar over there. Yeah, Selena, look, I got the parcel. Look at this. I paid $5 USD. What is it?
I already know what it is.
Yeah, look at this. 60 pieces.
60?
Yeah, take all of them out. Guys, look at this. 60 pieces of micro towels. Damn, that's a lot, right?
That's a lot.
Yesterday we had such a fun day. I cut the grass. Look at this. All the grass is gotten. Everything there. I went to the Tan High. I had so much fun over there. But unfortunately, the SD card stopped working. So I'm gonna show you basura. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Damn, I washed the car also yesterday. Look at this, how clean the car is. Yeah, now I remember I need to buy the car soap also. Yesterday I ordered one more thing for the car. Look at this, guys. Do you know what that is? Maybe you recognize. What do you think what that is? Kaboom! So I don't have to wear the seat belt. Yeah, that's so nice, right? Hopefully we're not gonna kill nobody. Look at this, what I discovered. Over here you have modes, drive modes. So if I will turn this, normal mode. So that's normal mode. That's a slippery mode, mud, sand, you know. So I want to try the sport mode. Oh, it's gonna shift to the 4. Okay, whatever. Let's see if that's gonna be like a better mode, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I put back on a 2-wheel drive, 2 rear wheel, because I want to have a rear power. I know how to drive with the rear because I've been driving BMW, so I know how the car is reacting if there's any issue. So guys, we are in the Bakong. Let's go check into the Mr. DIY. So we need to buy the car shampoo. Hello miss, kumusta ka? Good morning. Damn, what can you buy? Mr. DIY. Absolutely everything. Then let's buy this. That's a good thing to use to clean the wheels. Oh yeah, I know what we're gonna buy. We were gonna buy the wiper wash. Yeah. We don't wanna use the water. I don't know. I will just buy this. I don't see they have any better one. More premium, you know. So guys, I buy this one. I think that's the most expensive car wash here. Oh wow, here on this side they sell different stuff. Look at this nice microfibers and sponge like this. Damn, I'll buy one of these also. How much is that? $5 USD. Oh my goodness. Damn, look at this what they're selling here. Blow off air duster. Damn, I ordered this from the Lazada for 500 pesos. And they sell this here. Damn. I will take 2 of this also. A stock. The smell also for the car. Let's take a smell also for the car. Young guys. I don't know, let's take also this. I need to buy one more thing under the baby seat. I want to put this under so it's not gonna mess up the leather. Miss, how are you? Kumusta ka? Long time no see, exactly. Yeah. Just home. Damn, let's see how much do we have to pay. I'm thinking we have to pay like maybe 1,000, maybe 1,500. It's so heavy, yeah. Bila. Okay,
1,900.
1,900. Oh my goodness. Yeah, thank you, miss. So guys, I already see. Hello sir, kumusta ka? Oh wow, it looks nice. It looks perfect.
Okay.
Pila.
2,000, okay?
How much?
2,000.
2K.
What?
You want to have 2K? 2,000. Okay. My money. Thank you, boss. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's very hard to do this, the corners.
Long, yeah, the corner, and it's long.
Yeah, of course, of
Wide.
course. Yeah, yeah. Okay, boss, I will try to put it in the car. What do you think? 2,000 pesos? How much is 2,000 pesos? I think it's like, maybe it is 35 USD, something like this. Do you think it's okay for this job? Because I don't know much about the welding, you know. I think that job is expensive. You need to, it's not just like random job, you know. You need to have the tools. I think it's okay. 2,000, it's okay. I don't know what I was thinking. 500 pesos, Jesus Christ. Because if I do work, usually he charges 50 pesos, 100 pesos. I always give 500. How's everything back there? Is it holding? Me, I cannot see. You tell me. So now we need to buy the concrete. We're gonna buy the concrete at the same place where we bought the metal. Hello, sir. Miss, I wanna buy the concrete, the already mixed concrete. But I only need to put the water, right? Yeah, that's perfect. So one bag of the cement or concrete, I don't know how to call this, is 190 pesos. 3 USD. Yeah. Hello sir, kumusta ka? Thank you, miss. So dusty. Is it really 25 kilograms? Tului! Pangus! Pangus! Walla walla. I don't want to smell the bangus. So I transported the concrete here. The metal is over there. Now we need to start digging the hole also. We're gonna have so much. We have so much work to do. We need to do concrete, dig a hole. What do you think? How much? Did you see the metal?
Huh?
What do you think? How much? How much did the guy charge me?
500.
2,000.
No way.
Yeah.
2,000 really?
Yeah.
That's why he charged so much.
Damn, I don't know. I guess he's using the tools, you know, welding and, you know, cutting the...
You didn't ask before when you bring the meat. You didn't ask him
No,
how much.
no.
That's why.
Kumusta ka? Yeah. Woo. Look at this. Kaboom ka. Damn, that's nice, right? Pointy one. It will be easy. So guys, I managed to dig 2 buckets out. I hate the shovel work. I really hate the shovel. Here we have the hole. I'll just throw it there. Like that. Yeah. Later I will make it smooth. So guys, we have done the first hole. It's like this. So we got 3 buckets. I know we should put rocks there also, but damn, I'm so lazy. Damn, I was asking the cement where I don't need to put the sand or gravel or anything. And then I didn't check also them, they gave me the wrong cement. So I need to go to the city, I need to buy the sand somewhere. Yeah. Or maybe I can buy sand from those guys over there. I'll go try to make some business over there. I got the sand or the gravel. Damn, that's crazy. I gave them 200 pesos. Okay, like that. Like that. Okay. Okay, thank you, boss. Thank you so much.
Okay,
thank you, sir.
thank you. Salamat kay
Thank you.
Dento. You put the water in the last.
I will mix it.
You put so much too big, you know?
No, it's okay. Oh my goodness.
Did you break it?
I think I already break it.
Oh my goodness. It's done.
Thank you, boss. Jesus Christ, everything is going wrong with this thing. Absolutely everything.
Is it good now?
Yeah, for sure. Damn, it's gonna rain outside. Will be perfect. Oh my goodness, Selena.
Ay!
Ah, it's perfect.
It's perfect, I think.
Yeah,
That's
it's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, that's very perfect. Finally, we got it done. But I want to give Selena a job.
Huh?
I want to give you a small job. And you just smooth it. Try to smooth it like this, like I did here. You just use this.
Oh,
Just
I
smooth
was
it.
thinking, how did you do it?
Yeah. How's it going?
It's nice, almost done. So much too big.
Yeah, of course, that's too big will come out.
Yeah.
Let's do quality inspection. That's Selena. That's me.
Mine is better.
Always.
Look at fish.
I found that we have something like this, the metal thing. I should put the metal here so I can put the toolbox and everything, you know. Let's try to wash this first. Selena, where are you?
I'm here.
Where are you?
Getting coconut. Huh?
The tree is getting empty slowly.
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah, then we will have so much room here now. Oh, damn guys, take this. Here we can put the buckets. Then we put them all wash this also. I thought we're gonna put this under the baby seat, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, can you open this?
Oh, wow, that's so nice.
Yeah. Oh, you want this inside and you're gonna give me the old one? So this one will just gonna go here under the baby seat. Yes, sir. You can laugh now. Let's look at this big car engine. Look at this engine, how tiny it is. Look how much space you have here. Yeah, that's where you have the snorkel. You can go basically over here. You can go inside with the water. As long as you don't have water going here, everything's perfect. I wonder how much we can put. I think we put like, I don't know, 3.5 liters maybe. It's good to have this because, you know, the scooter riders who are not cooperative in the traffic, I will just drive by and I will wash my windows.
Come get it. Come on up.
Then I ordered this Lazada. Do you remember 500?
How much is
In
that?
DIY it was 150 pesos.
Really?
Yeah.
Too nice.
That's super nice. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh wow. Thank you. Wow. You eat two coconuts like this, then you're completely full. I'm done with everything. Then we have a very nice workshop here now with all of stuff. So let's see. This one is dry already. I will take the wood off. Let's go. I thought this is
Oh my
basura.
God, your back is so red.
My back is red.
Yeah.
I got so
Like
much sun
scrub.
today.
That's right.
Oh yeah, good job. I have one last mission. I need to find all our exercise stuff and put them outside. So tomorrow we can start doing the exercise. What do we have here? So I will get this out, I will get this out. Somewhere we should have the dumbbells also. We have like 4 dumbbells. We have this thing. This thing you can do dips or squats.
Yeah, we'll put it like that, right? So we'll do
Well, yeah.
workout, you can see there.
Yeah, that's it, do shoulders. Okay.
Oh my God, my arms shaking.
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna organize everything, then you guys can see what the hell did we do. I don't know what the hell what we're gonna do here.
Huh? I don't know, I do this.
Oh, you can do abs here?
Yeah, I do abs here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I do abs here.
Yeah. So that's our small gym, huh? Ooh la la.
So much food.
Why?
Huh?
Why you bought so much food?
That was so heavy.
Look at this. Zumai.
You want food? Here, there you go.
Oh wow.
Wait, let's see, maybe that's my egg. It looks so nice.
Spam.
Look
We got
what I
3
have.
chicken schnitzels.
Yeah,
And Selena got her humai.
Zumba.
Zumba.
They give you 2 cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, I add extra.
Wow.
Oh my God, how's the shumai? Did you try it? Was it good?
Yeah, I don't like it. Then I need to start eating more if we're gonna start doing exercise. Otherwise I get so skinny. We need to eat the egg. And we start cooking the chicken in the oven.
Oh yeah.
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 Ben from America sent us 50 USD. Ben, thank you so much for 50 USD. And he sent, he also, He also said, look, your videos are the best way to know the country. I plan to retire again the next year. Keep being generous and yourself. My man, you are a great guy. Thank you so much, Ben from
Thank you,
America. Thank you so much for the good words. Salam alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
So guys, that was the whole day. Yeah, them I didn't expect. That thing will take so long. Because the making the concrete, I thought I would just add water, you know. I already explained. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.